Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
So we're diving into the world of super-automatic espresso machines today, starting with the DeLonghi Eletta, right? The ECAM 44660B model. It's a fully automatic espresso machine, but it's listed as renewed, which is something to keep in mind.
And we're comparing it to the Philips Series 2200, Model EP 2200 2010s. Also fully automatic, but this one boasts a classic milk frother and comes brand new. It's interesting to see how these two stack up.
Exactly. Both are aiming for that bean-to-cup experience, bringing the cafe home, but they approach it from slightly different angles, and at different price points, it seems. The DeLonghi Eletta really pushes the convenience angle. It boasts a patented automatic cappuccino system, the Latte Crema system, promising barista-quality cappuccinos, lattes, even flat whites, with just one touch. Plus, it can brew 2 cups simultaneously. That's a time saver.
The Philips also makes cappuccinos and lattes, but you're in charge of the milk frothing with their classic frother. It does offer one-touch selection for espresso, coffee, and hot water, catering to different preferences. It really depends on whether you want that hands-on experience or total automation. It depends on what you prefer, total automation or a bit more control. Some people enjoy the ritual of frothing their own milk.
True. The DeLonghi has a silent coffee grinder with 13 adjustable settings and electronic temperature control. The product details say it uses a 15-bar pump. Pretty fancy for a renewed machine.
Philips uses a ceramic grinder with 12 settings. Ceramic is supposed to be really durable, ensuring consistent grinding over time and preventing overheating of the beans. They claim it ensures optimal flavor extraction.
Grinder settings are key for getting the right flavor, so both offer decent customization there. It sounds like the Philips is emphasizing the longevity of its grinder.
Right, the DeLonghi has automatic cleaning programs, including descaling and rinsing, and all removable components are dishwasher safe. That's a huge plus for ease of maintenance. The Philips also has easy cleaning, with a removable brew group that you can rinse under the tap, and dishwasher safe parts. Plus it has an AquaClean filter that Philips claims allows you to brew up to 5,000 cups without descaling. That's a significant convenience factor.
That AquaClean filter sounds incredibly convenient. Cleaning is always a pain. 5,000 cups is a bold claim. One thing to note, the DeLonghi is a renewed product, so it's pre-owned but inspected to work like new. Amazon offers a guarantee on renewed products, so there's some peace of mind there.
The Philips is brand new, which might appeal to some people more. You're getting that fresh out of the box experience and a full warranty, presumably. Plus, it's currently in stock while the DeLonghi is listed as currently unavailable. Good point. It really comes down to whether you prioritize a potentially lower price point with the DeLonghi, accepting it's a renewed item, or having a brand new machine with the Philips.
Yeah, and how much you value fully automatic milk frothing versus doing it yourself. Both are solid options for getting your coffee fix at home, but cater to different needs and preferences. The Philips also has a much higher number of customer reviews, so there's more data to sift through when making a decision. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.